everyone. I'm Aditi Arjunwadkar. Today, the world is surrounded by worldwide trade. Nowadays, we are generally buy the things which are easily available us on internet. Internet gives us the freedom to buy anything from global village where we pick our required product from any corner of the world and also avails us the facility to sell it whether the product is new or old. Anyone who gives us the better price on web based interface. Yes, friends, this web based interface is generally we called it e-commerce. E-commerce. Yes, it's the electronic commerce. Now we will see what is the exact definition of electronic commerce. Electronic commerce is a process of buying, selling, transferring or exchanging products or services and or information via electronic networks and computers. Now we will see how step by step e-commerce is developed. In the year 1995 to 2000, the basic innovation is done that heavy venture capital investments are made in this sector. The key concept of dot coms is developed for the websites. After that, in 2001 to 2006, the emphasis is given on business driven approach where we can do business on internet. After 2006, the present innovations we are seeing that extension of technologies, new models based on user generated contents, social networking sites, online payments apps, systems, internet bankings, these all facilitates us e-com. Hello, here we can see the best practices and emerging trends in a global e-commerce where we can see micropayments, mobile technologies which includes Android mobile systems, also the use of social media, global availability of goods, time based availability of our product and customizability with the producer. Now we will head to the scope of e-commerce. As I said before, selling can be focused to global customer and financing and insurance is available with the same time. It also gives us hassle-free trading where automatic trading of goods and services, also the digital products. E-commerce maintain the proper supply chain management where there is no middleman but many people can get a bread and butter. This supply chain management includes picking the product from the producer and giving it in the safe hands of customer with the easy return policy. And at the same time, e-commerce provide us the tracking of dispatch and delivery of our product for which the king customer is waiting eagerly. E-commerce gives us the facility of tracking our delivery, dispatch and the hassle-free easy return policy. So, revising the scope of e-commerce reduces our time, money, and energy. Also, reduces the geographical barriers, as I said before. After watching the small introduction to the e-commerce, now we can understand what is e-commerce. Here we can see the types of e-commerce: B2B, C2C, B2C, C2B, B2A, C2A. What is it all things? Now I will explain one by one. First is a business to business, that is B2B. E-commerce encompasses all electronic transactions of goods or services conducted between companies, producers, and typical wholesalers operate this type of electronic commerce. Second is B2C, that is business to consumer. This type of e-commerce establishes relation between producer to final customer. It corresponds to retail section of e-commerce. Third one is C2C, that is consumer to consumer. Here we can give the examples of OLX or any these kinds of apps where consumer can encompasses all the electronic transactions of goods and services conducted between consumers. Generally, these transactions are conducted through their third party which provides the online platform. Online digital, both the parties get a digital interface to sell and buy the goods and services to carry out the transaction. The fourth type of e-commerce is consumer to business, that is C2B. A large number of individuals made their products and services available for purchase for companies seeking preciously these types of products and services. For example, we can see iStock Photo, the platform that sells royalty free photographs, images, pictures to whom they concern. Now we will head to our fifth type of e-commerce, that is B2A, business to administration. Friends, the e-commerce transactions encompasses between companies and public administration is called business to administration. This involves variety of services, particularly in the areas of fiscal, social, security, employment, legal documentation, registration, etc. For example, investments made in e-government or investments through foreign bodies to in India that can come in business to administration level of e-commerce. Now we will see the C2A, that is consumer to administration type of transactions, where it encompasses between consumers, individuals and public administration, that is education, distance learning, taxes, filing taxes, payments, etc. Also, it includes the healthcare services like appointments, information about the hospitals, its doctors, availability of doctors, and also includes payments of health and services. My dear friends, I thank all of you to see and watching my this video and listening to me. Thank you from Aditi Arjunwadkar for watching the e-commerce. Now it's time to see advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce. First, we will see advantages of e-commerce. It increases the sales and decrease the cost, as I said before. It also avails us the promotion of our products on social media, that is social networking sites like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. As I said before, the extended markets are available where we can sell our goods and products to all over the world. It also avails us the facility and availability of goods 24 by 7, that is 24 hours and 7 days actually. The e-commerce boosts the economy by cashless transactions, as it avails us the facility of online payment systems by debit cards, credit cards and online cash payment apps. It also increases the buying urge of a customer, and it also increases the standard of living of our society.